Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Khushi. Now, since the new academic year is starting, I am here to announce the launching of a new batch. Now we'll get into the details. First of all, the new batch commences from what? It commences from 2nd of May 2026. Now, who all can join this batch? The class 11 students and the class 12 students. There are two separate batches for class 11 and for class 12 as well. Now who want to score 90 plus? फ्रेंच में आप पास ऐसे भी हो जाओगे पढ़ के, अगर वो भी शिद्दत से पढ़ो तो ही, पर फिर भी पास ऐसे भी हो जाओगे. बट इफ़ यू वांट टू स्कोर रियली वेल विच विल हेल्प यू गेट इनटू अ बेटर कॉलेज, आगे के आपके एग्जामिनेशंस अच्छे से हो, सो यू शुड जॉइन दिस बैच. एंड एनी वन हु इज स्ट्रगलिंग विद ग्रामर एंड राइटिंग skills as well. Now, why this course? Why do you have to join this batch itself? So, here we'll complete the entire syllabus for class 11 or class 12 HSC. Also, we'll build a very strong foundation for grammar. We'll complete the writing skills part, the speaking basics, the speaking which you need in the Viva, in your 12th standard Viva or 11th standard Viva, we'll cover that as well. You will be given various tricks for reading and writing both, and exam oriented preparation. Also, I will provide you with audio notes of specific grammar topics wherein you require more help, ताकि आप while traveling आप सुन सको, while committing to your classes or college you can listen to those notes as well. Now what will you get? After this batch is completed, you will get a solid foundation for grammar. Now the students for 11th standard, you should join this batch क्योंकि uh, if you've seen the 12th standard textbook by chance, 12th standard में जो lesson number 0 है उसमें 11th standard के सारे grammar topics हैं. So each and everything which is covered in the 11th standard is going to come in your board exams. So आपके लिए तो ये must है. Then you will have regular test. We'll take regular test as in जब कोई topic खत्म हो जाए, या chapter wise test तो होंगे ही, बट किसी किसी टॉपिक्स पे आपको स्पेसिफिक एक्सरसाइजेस दिए जाएंगे विच यू हैव टू कंप्लीट, एंड आई solve it in the class as well. The notes and worksheets, you'll have the block notes and worksheets for solving as well, and you'll have personal attention. So I believe आप YouTube पे सीख सकते हो, बट यू वोंट गेट द पर्सनल अटेंशन. आप जल्दी डाउट्स नहीं पूछ सकते हो. सो फॉर ऑल दोज थिंग्स you can join the regular batches. Now the batch details. The mode of this batch is what it is: online and offline. Offline in पुणे. ठीक है, ऑफलाइन आपको कहाँ मिलेगा? ऑफलाइन आपको मिलेगा पुणे में. देन ड्यूरेशन क्या है? एंटायर एकेडमिक ईयर. जब आपका जब तक आपका एग्जाम ना हो, यू विल हैव कंटिन्यूड सपोर्ट एंड स्पेशल वीकेंड बैचेस, ताकि दिस फिट्स इनटू योर स्केड्यूल वेरी वेल. नाउ कॉल टू एक्शन, आप कैसे ज्वाइन कर सकते हो? यू कैन व्हाट्सएप ऑन द गिवन नंबर्स, और यू कैन कमेंट फ्रेंच सो दैट आवर टीम विल reach out to you. Now, the students who will be requesting for demo lectures, you can check out the videos on this channel itself, and the reviews for the previous batches have also been shared in the specific videos. Many students have requested for the entire year batch. I have just conducted a crash course for 12th standard, upon which students are requested for the entire year batches. You can check out the reviews, you can check out the videos, and you just do not have to worry. Once you join it, I'll help you get through this exam, be it 11th standard, be it 12th standard, be it grammar, be it speaking skills, be it writing skills. Okay, so remember, the batch starts from when? The batch starts from 2nd of May 2026. प्लीज़ शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स एज वेल, क्योंकि आई बिलीव कि फ्रेंच के अच्छे क्लासेस बहुत कम हैं, एंड आई एम श्योर यू विल बी ग्लैड दैट यू केम अक्रॉस दिस वीडियो. ओके, हियर इज़ माई नंबर फॉर दिस वन. हियर इज़ माई नंबर फॉर मोर डिटेल्स. ओके. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Please comment in the comment section what else do you require, what are your doubts, and anything about this batch as well. Thank you.